Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to follow creators on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We've also created a tutorial regarding that, so worry not. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this button called as More. It's on the bottom right. Click on it. Once you guys do that, all you need to do is focus on this button called as Creator Feed. Do remember the icon. Click on it. And this is it, guys. From here, as you guys can see, these are all the creators. Now from here, simply select the creator of your choice, and right next to the creator, you will see the follow button. Click on it, and guys, that is it. That's how you follow any creator in Webtoon. Well guys, that is it. That's how you follow creators in Webtoon. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.